Six Flags Professor Screammore is at it again. His latest invention is coming to Six Flags New England in Massachusetts. It's Quantum Accelerator, and it's an Intamin family launch coaster that's going to feature 2 launches, reaching a top speed of 45 miles an hour on its 2,604 feet of track. Now, this is a family coaster, so you've got no inversions, no big huge drops, but plenty of twists and turns, and what the park is promising is 11 airtime moments. It's all part of the professor's latest attempt at a steampunk-inspired time travel machine. Won't be taking you backward, but you'll be going forward in a lot of different directions on this one. For more information about Quantum Accelerator and all of the new attractions coming to theme parks around the world in 2025, check us out on themeparkinsider.com.